Lesson number 1. Nature and scope of business. This is a part 3. Question number 1 is, what are economic activities? The second question is, what are non-economic activities? The third question is, what is a business? Question number 4, what are the characteristics of business? Question number 5, what is the evolution of business? Question number 6, what are the different objectives of business? Question number 7, what are human objectives of business? Question number 8, what is social responsibility? Question number 9, what is business responsibility? Question number 10, define environmental pollution. Question 11, what are the different type of pollution? Question number 12, what is air pollution? Question 13, what are the causes of air pollution? Question number 14, what is the impact of air pollution? Question number 15, what is meant by land pollution? Question number 16, what are the causes of land pollution? Question 17, what is the effect of land pollution? Question number 18, what is the water pollution? Question 19, what are the causes of water pollution? Question 20, what are the effects of water pollution? Question 21. What is the role of business in environmental protection? Question 22. What is the awareness role of business? Question number 23. What is the preventive role of business? Question number 24. What is a profession? Question number 25. What are the social objectives of business? Question number 26. What is the business responsibility to the government? Question 27. What is meant by after sale service? Question number 28. What are global objectives of business? Thank you.